go to Google and type OBS Studio. It's an open source, open broadcaster software. It's a free and open source software for video recording and live streaming. And you can go to this, and depending upon your, the operating system, you can download this. It's basically a screen capture. So whatever you do, it get captures, and if you talk, and it will get recorded by itself, right? Something like that. And it's open source and it's easy to understand, so you can take a look at that. Fine. So if you want to have a more sophisticated software, then I recommend TechSmith Snagit. It's very expensive, something around 3,000 to 4,000 rupees. But I recommend you can use free trial. It'll be something around 15 days or something. So you can download free trial. So I currently use this particular Snagit. Let me explain you. Um, is ribbon with a red colored circle visible?
Yes, sir.
Anybody? Okay. Right. So what you have to do is you have to click this. Then that will freeze my screen. This kind of a cross thread. You can see a cross thread, crosshead. You can see. That will ask me to whether I want to select some region or the whole screen. So let me take a whole screen. Let me not necessarily, because this itself is recording MS Teams. So I want to only record, this region, something like that, right? So when I click it go, so I'm gonna go to record a video. So it says record a video, and it is initializing, right? It takes some time. Uh, Sometimes you can see the audio also transmission. So I have only one microphone, and I can talk aloud, and it just see the transition. And if there's any recording from the system, say you playing a YouTube video, you can start click on this. But as I wanted to give this off, because that noise from the system will be eradicated. Only my voice gets recorded, and I'm gonna click record, and it takes me like 3, 2, 1 and record. I say record. Yeah, it is saying 3, 2, 1 and record. So whatever I'm doing here, like I'm just taking the screen capture, covering my mouse over here, and I just scroll down. Whatever this region that I've selected, it gets recorded in a form of a video with the audio impact. Say for example, if I close this, say in OBS, that particular page, it will just record, and I can scroll down and see. Or else if I, what happens if I close this entire thing? If I close this entire thing, it will still record the screen. Say if I open this folder, it will ask, it will just record whatever is found beneath this, right? Say bibliography, code tantra, then insurance and purchase and payment, VIT, then my electricity bill, and then this is the exam timetable, I guess. And I click it open, it will just, right. So whatever the MS Teams your, this is the exam hall that my invigilation duty is, and something like that. So all these things, right? So now I'm gonna pass the video. If I'm gonna pass the video, I'm gonna click here, or I can stop the recording and finish the video. Say for example, if I pass it, so whatever I do here will not be recorded. Even my voice not get recorded. I can continue recording, or I can quit it. Say if I continue record, it starts on. You see the number, the time gets moving. I've recorded 1 minute and 25 seconds. Right. So I'm gonna stop it, and I'm gonna finish the recording. So it may take some time for processing if it is depending upon the length of the video. So once that is done, this editor will become active. You see, this is the area that gets captured. So I'm gonna play this. So you can see I've just made it, and I've explained you. I go to May, then I opened the last file, And I can even do editing also. Like if I made a mistake, say after this, this should not be there, the OBS. So I can come to this and I can remove off, this region by selecting this, this, and I can cut it. So which means that now the video got cut, something like that. So you can do a post processing also. So this is a very good software. You can take a look at that. You can do that in OBS also. Right? So that's a very interesting thing that you can always do for your. So anyway, I'll explain you in person during our physical class. I'm gonna close this for a moment. So I'm not gonna save this recording. I'm gonna close this.